Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a caption to a GIF and post it in Discord. Start by clicking the plus button at the top left. Then select your server and open the channel you want to post in. Click the channel name again to make sure you're in the main chat view. Type a message into the message box at the bottom. For this example, I'm typing GIF test. Click the plus button to the left of the message box to open the attachment menu. Click the emoji reaction that appears below your message. This opens a file picker where you can browse your downloads folder. Select the GIF file you want to upload. In this case, it's called gif.gif. Click Open to attach it, and the GIF appears in the message box. Now type your caption in the same message box. I'm typing GIF test again. The cursor blinks in the box, ready for you to add anything else. Press Enter to send the message, and your caption GIF posts to the channel. If your GIF doesn't upload, check the file size. Discord has a file limit of 8 megabytes for free accounts and 500 megabytes for Nitro users, so larger GIFs will need compressing first. You can caption a GIF using a tool like EasyGIF or Caption before uploading, or just type your caption as regular text in the same message. If you want to edit or delete the message after posting, right-click it and choose Edit Message or Delete Message from the menu. And that's how to post a caption GIF in Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.